My name is Debbie Tucker and I'm an interior designer, and I started this channel a couple months ago, and I thought maybe I should introduce myself to you, let you see what type of content I plan to bring, and then you can decide if you're interested in that or if you just want to pass me by. I've been in this industry for over 15 years. I love interior design. I love putting things together. I love making people happy in their homes. I live in the mountains of West Virginia and my house is in the woods. I am not fancy, as you can see. I am just very practical. I have found out that not everybody is interested in interior design and they don't care if it's a part of their home, and that is fine and great for them. But for those that are, I really try to help you make your home comfortable, reflect who you are, and meet your everyday needs. I'm pretty thrifty and money conscious. If I can make something myself, I will typically do that. We all work really hard for those dollars, and I prefer to keep mine in my pocket, and I will try to help you keep yours in your pocket. Let's have a look at some of the work I've done. I've worked on nearly every type of room out there, as well as some outdoor spaces and home exteriors. I've helped people achieve many different styles, such as modern farmhouse, traditional, modern, some nurseries, modern boho, and plenty more. I enjoy introducing elements to my clients that they didn't even know they love. You can visit my website to see more photos of my work, and I make it easy for you by providing links to decor and furniture that you can purchase. I plan to bring you design tips, show you DIY projects and how to do them, show you some of the work I've done and how I accomplished it. And I also plan to bring you some great home decor and products where you can get great deals. Maybe the content that I bring can help you work on your home's design yourself without having to hire a professional to help you. And that's going to keep those dollars in your pocket. Here are a couple of my videos that might interest you, and if they do, I will see you there.